Well, we had dear friends in Singapore and here in Thailand, in Bangkok, and they introduced us to Chiva-Som. They actually wanted to show us, in the first instance, a beautiful hotel to show us the quality of what can be created here in Thailand. And that was some 20 years ago.
Over 20 years ago, actually. Yeah. So both of Robert and myself have always been conscious of being fit and healthy, and for us, Chiva-Som is it's a place that's just a haven to reset our health and our fitness and stress levels, and whatever. It's just a beautiful place to be with amazing staff, and everything is at our fingertips.
And you know, we have travelled the world in our lifetime, our over 50 years of marriage, and we always seek places where, you know, we can find beautiful food, beautiful accommodation, but this is much more than that. This is so much of a comprehensive and deeply articulated retreat that refreshes us, and as Mem said, we have a fantastic reset in life every time we come here.
A bit like a home away from home, and even our friends back in Australia, they always refer to us and say, "Oh, that's where you want to go. You know, that's your favourite place, isn't it?" And we've had a few friends that have come along because of us, but they love it. But everyone refers to us as our happy place.
We can only offer our congratulations to the whole history of Chiva-Som, continue to recreate itself in all of its splendid attributes and wonderment for us. So we just heartily, congratulate and, in a sense, hug the wonderment of what is Chiva-Som now and into our future.
We wish you the most wonderful year for next year, and may all the celebrations, you enjoy them, and may they be extensive. And thank you for making all this possible. We love